The market is full of great makeup products these days, but our eyeliners often fail to last all day long, especially on oily eyelids. Does this happen to you too? Do you often have to go for touch-ups throughout the day to make your eyeliner look fresh? Then, here are 8 tips to make eyeliner stay longer. One, prep your eyelids. You can choose the best rated eyeliner, but it might not be perfect for your eyelids. So, make sure you prime your eyes well with a good eye primer and translucent powder. This way, your eyeliner will not only go on smoother but also last longer. After applying your eye primer, dust some translucent powder and you're all set. This will set your primer and control oil production in this area. Hence, your eyeliner will last long without budging. Also, make sure you apply a nice creaseless concealer under your eyes to prevent smudging. 2. Keep blotting sheets handy. Even if you don't have overly oily eyelids, you must keep oil blotting sheets handy in summers and in humid season. Whenever your skin tends to get even a little sweaty, just take out a sheet and gently dab it on your eyelids to keep your skin matte. 3. Layer your eyeliners. Layering is an excellent trick to make your liner last all day long. Everyone prefers liquid liners due to their finish, but you need matte pencils, too. To avoid smudging, first apply your eyeliner with the matte, long-lasting pencil and then go over it with your pencil or gel eyeliner. This layering and blending will make your eyeliner last as long as you desire. You can even go over this with an eyeshadow to set your eyeliner. 4. Choose your mascara wisely. If you're wondering how your mascara can affect the longevity of your eyeliner, let me explain. A non-waterproof or a non-long-lasting mascara will smudge and impact the staying power of the rest of your makeup. So make sure you go for a smudge-proof and waterproof formula. 5. Grab a white eyeliner. A white eyeliner won't only highlight your eyes but also help your eyeliner last longer. You can use a white eyeliner as a base for your actual eyeliner. This will help you trace the shape and make your eyeliner pop. Also, you can use it around your eyeliner to make your lines appear sharper. 6. Change the temperature of your eyeliners. First of all, make sure you choose a long-lasting eyeliner. So, go through some reviews and do some research before buying your eyeliners. Next, focus on making your eyeliners work as per the season. For example, if your eyeliner isn't giving the desired finish, freeze it for around 10 minutes. This trick comes in really handy in summers when everything tends to melt. And if your gel liner has turned stiff, warm it up a little, for like 10 seconds, right before application. 7. Apply loose powder. Apply a bit of loose powder after applying eyeliner to prevent smudging and melting away of eye makeup. 8. Apply matte concealer before applying eyeliner. A matte concealer would make a good base for the eyeliner to stick on and stay on. Dab a matte concealer that's safe for the eyes all over the eyelid. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching and stay with us subscribing to this channel. Have a great day.